Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create an account or sign up on Pinterest. So we want to do that now. Now this Pinterest app, we downloaded it into our PC, so we want to sign up. We want to download, check out previous videos on how to download Pinterest on PC. So now I want to sign up, so you click on sign up from the top from the home page. So you're going to put in email, your password, date of birth, and you can continue or you continue with Google. Then you put in the password. You're putting the password you want to use. Create a password. Let's say the password is okay, and then put a date of birth. Let's see, and then let's use this, and then click on continue. So they found that my account is connected to Google. Don't use the Google button, but I don't want to use the Google. Okay, so you have to use it. Okay, continue, and you should be able to create an account. It's as simple as that. As you can see, I actually already have an account there. If you have an account, you can see I already have an account with Pinterest, but I just wanted to show you how to create one. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to create an account on Pinterest. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.